Hello guys, so we have gone through the basic chemical reactions part or the basic chemical changes in our last class. Now today we are going to discuss about different types of chemical reactions that take place. So see, as we know, there are numerous kind of chemical reactions in chemistry, so it is very important to remember them. Now do you really want to remember chemical equations? Just सोच लो कितना याद कर लोगे. So to simplify this job, you can basically divide the chemical reaction into separate groups, and it is possible, mark my words, it is possible to understand logically which reaction is going to give which products by this differentiation in a much better fashion than we really do. What we do is we take this chapter or take this topic as a separate one from the chemical reactions part that we do. We remember them separately और types of reactions क्या क्या होता है that is separately. ये गलती करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. You do this, you try to learn this in such a way and try to apply this in various reaction. Whenever you do some reaction, try to put that reaction in some box. Which box? ये इस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन है, रिएक्शन टाइप ए, रिएक्शन टाइप बी, रिएक्शन टाइप सी, रिएक्शन टाइप डी हो सकता है. सो इफ वी कैन पुट दैट इन बॉक्स, मे बी एंड विल बी very easy for us to complete that reaction even if we don't know what is the product. ठीक है, हम कर लेंगे, don't worry. So first type of reaction, so there are different types of chemical reactions that we have to go through. Number one type of chemical reaction that I am going to discuss is direct synthesis. Direct synthesis. Direct synthesis, ठीक है. It is also called direct combination, synthesis or combination. So first of all, we are going to write a alphabetical structure type reaction. What is the kind of reaction that we mean by this term? ठीक है. So A plus B, it is just combination of two things, So you can see there is one thing that is A, another thing that is B, it is combining to form AB, clear? So this A and B are either elements or compounds. ठीक है, ठीक है. Either elements or compounds combine to give a single product, which is a compound definitely. ठीक है. So two elements or compounds combine to give a single product, those kind of reaction will be called direct synthesis or direct combination. ठीक है. If you want one example, you can go for it. If you want to go H2 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight, they react to form 2HCl. ठीक है. So this is a direct combination or direct synthesis reaction. We are going to study them in detail in our next part of the class, I would say, because in that part we are going to discuss in detail about this kind of reaction, what are the compounds that can be prepared in this kind of reaction with lot of examples, so that you get a thorough idea of different kind of reaction that falls under this box. ठीक है. So first thing we have done is direct synthesis. Next, just understand these alphabetical reactions at this moment. Don't go in a hurry. There is no hurry. Lot of time is left. We can easily finish the syllabus. ठीक है, बड़े आराम से, ठीक है, बड़े आराम से will finish the syllabus. Next is decomposition reaction. ठीक है. So in this case this is a compound, it gives two simpler species. ठीक है. You can write a compound if you want to write the definition. This is AB is a chemical compound. In this case it doesn't combine, it basically splits to give two or more simpler substances. Substances can be elements, substances can be compound. Clear? This is decomposition reaction. अभी example तो मांगता है, नहीं तो how do I understand? So we have already done this example in our last class. ZnNO3 whole twice. If you heat it, it will give zinc oxide plus NO2 plus O2. Clear? ZnNO3 whole twice, zinc oxide plus NO2 plus O2. The compound is giving two or more, three in this case, simpler substances. Remember the observation. If you don't remember, this ZNO is a very important compound. Remember, this is yellow when hot, white when cold. This is a gas, this is a gas, reddish brown gas. Okay? So if somebody asks some observation from it, then action of heat on zinc nitrate gives an precipitate or a deposit, you can say. Don't write precipitate because I am not going to give some water into it. So a deposit which is yellow when hot and white when cold, and a reddish brown color gas is evolved. Simple. Okay? So this is decomposition reaction. So now you can ask me a question, sir, this is by heat. So what kind of decomposition? हम detail में पढ़ेंगे, but still I am saying you, this is, if the decomposition is by heat, then it is called thermal decomposition. It is called thermal decomposition. If this decomposition is by, suppose, sunlight, ठीक है, sunlight से भी decomposition होता है, light से अगर decomposition होगा, then it is called photochemical decomposition. If the decomposition is by electricity, then it is called electrolysis. ठीक है? If the decomposition is reversible, then it is called dissociation. So we are going to study all those things in details, but in our next class, because we are going to go very slow in this case. This is a very important part of chemistry which I find very interesting, because if we understand this totally, then there will be no problems in deciphering that various reactions that is going to come in your way in next 3 classes of yours, that is 10, 11 and 12. You can easily decipher the type of reaction, you can easily do those reactions, that is the thing. Okay, just a second. Okay. So our 2 types of reaction we have done. Next one is simple displacement. Sometimes also normal displacement is called. It is called simple displacement or displacement. Simple displacement or displacement. So in this case, okay, so first of all, alphabetical reaction is very important over here, alphabetical notation, representation. So in this case what happens is, one of the element or radical displaces another element or radical of from another compound, that is A is going to displace B to form AC. A को B का जगह ले लेना चाहिए, A जाके B का जगह ले लेगा, A আসবে এসে B কে সরিয়ে দেবে, C এর পাশে বসবে, ঠিক আছে, that is AC, and it will leave B apart, ठीक है. So you can write the definition: an element or radical replaces another element in a compound. an element or radical replaces another element in a compound, that is displacement. I will give you an example. Zinc plus HCl, ठीक है, क्या करता है? Zinc goes like this, displaces the hydrogen, it forms zinc chloride, ठीक है. Don't write ZnCl because zinc has valency of 2, Cl have valency of 1, cross multiplication, ZnCl2 plus हाइड्रोजन को अकेला छोड़ देगा, एका एका हाइड्रोजन थकते पारे ना, हाइड्रोजन cannot remain alone, it has to remain as a molecule, H2, ठीक है, 2HCl. Top class example of displacement reaction, very important. Try to understand these things. Doubt लिख के रखो, we are going to discuss in live doubt clearing class. So displacement is done. Now double decomposition, next type of reaction, please write down. Double decomposition reaction, understanding everything I guess. Double decomposition reaction, it is also called double displacement, ठीक है, it is also called double displacement reaction. Double decomposition reaction we are going to study right now. Okay, so first of all, a compound, double decomposition reaction is reaction between two compounds like this. Here it will have some positivity, it will have some negativity, positivity, negativity. They basically exchange radicals. Compounds exchange radicals. So A चला जाएगा D के साथ और B आएगा C के साथ. Swap. A plus D minus plus C plus B minus. This is double decomposition reaction. Clear? I hope it is clear to everybody. Just इसके साथ इसको, इसके साथ इसको, ठीक है, समझ गए? So you can write the definition. A chemical reaction in which both the reactants are decomposed to form new substances. Both the reactants are decomposed. ये भी टूट गया, ए बी था क्या, इधर ए बी नहीं है, टूट के ए और बी अलग हो गया, सी और डी अलग हो गया, ठीक है. तो both the reactants are decomposed to form new substances, हुआ कि नहीं, न्यू सब्सटेंस हुआ by exchanging radicals. Clear? Example लेना पड़ेगा एक. Let's take AgNO3 plus KCl. What is going to form? Ag is going to take Cl, AgCl, ठीक है. K is going to take NO3, KNO3. AgCl will give white precipitate, ठीक है. So white precipitate is formed. I think we have done this kind of reaction. Clear shot, ठीक है. So here you can see they are exchanging radicals. Now this is a special kind of decomposition, double decomposition reaction. Why? It is also called double displacement. This displaces this, this also displaces this, double displacement, है ना. And AgNO3 is giving a precipitate. So this type of reaction, double decomposition with precipitate formation, is called precipitation reaction. While we will be discussing this double decomposition reaction in detail in our next class, we are going to explain how this reaction has happened. Sometimes it may not happen also. आप पूछ सकते हो ना, सर NaCl को इसके साथ दे दोगे या KCl को दे दोगे तो रिएक्शन करेगा. डेफिनेटली कर रहा है, देख रहा है, रिएक्शन करेगा. बट इसका मतलब क्या है, NaNO3 दे दिया, उसके साथ KCl दे दिया, तब भी ये रिएक्शन कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता है. दैट वी हैव टू चेक whether it can do this reaction or it cannot. Whether this KCl will be able to decompose AgNO3 or AgNO3 will be able to decompose KCl. There should be ambiguity. Please think over. Confusion आना चाहिए दिमाग में. Confusion आएगा तो प्रॉब्लम आएगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो सॉल्यूशन जरूर आएगा. आज नहीं तो कल आएगा. हो सकता है आज हम लोग सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकाल पाए, लेकिन मे बी आफ्टर 2 years 3 years कुछ ना कुछ आ जाएगा ना, ठीक है ना. कोरोना का वैक्सीन आज नहीं मिल रहा है इसका मतलब थोड़ी है कभी नहीं मिलेगा. प्रॉब्लम आएगा तब सॉल्यूशन आएगा, ठीक है. सो दैट एंड्स द टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सटेंड दिस क्लास वेरी further because I want to go a little slow about this chapter. I don't know why. Every year I do it and I found out great results from this. So try to decipher this kind of type of reactions in a better fashion. ठीक है, so go slow. Maybe I have just given you notes of maybe 1 page. ठीक है, जल्दी नहीं. इसके बाद इसी reactions को we'll study in much more detail. ठीक है, because next class will be very important for chemistry, very important for chemistry. And I know you are going to have some exams also this week, so I'm not extending it much, keeping a little bit softer. Okay guys, so thank you. Hope you study well about this and do well. Thank you.